Okay, cool. Now, next story that we are talking about. Y'all having a good time? If you're having a good time, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Oh, we have another AI story. Y'all, AI. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a reel today where they were talking about how the use of AI, it is killing the planet. Yes, I know it's convenient, but we also need to be aware of the environmental impacts of using Chat GPT in all of these AI programs. Okay. I'm not innocent. I'm not gonna say I've never used AI, but we need to be more cognizant of how much we're using it. Okay, but anyway, I digress. So OpenAI, they are the company, they do Chat GPT and all that, right? And of course, you know, they are the belle of the ball right now. You know, their programs are popping to fresh, right? It's really funny. It's so silly. I'm laughing because, okay, so OpenAI, they filed a lawsuit against another company that named themselves Open Artificial Intelligence. So what does AI stand for? You're welcome, Stella. Tell me in the comments right now, what does AI stand for? So the company that has brought us Chat GPT, their company name is OpenAI Inc. Somebody, I guess, who was trying to, you know, get in on the action named themselves Open Artificial Intelligence Inc. Round Nooner said Allen Iverson. Okay, in the context of tech, what does AI stand for? AI doing too much. Yeah, thank you, Stella. Artificial intelligence, right? So if we have OpenAI Inc. over here, and we have Open Artificial Intelligence Inc. over there, do you guys, as reasonable people out here in the world, do you think that there is a possibility of confusion between these two companies? Thank you, Round Noonish. So while you give me those answers, right? So OpenAI filed a lawsuit against Open Artificial Intelligence. And the people who ran Open AI, Open Artificial Intelligence, they applied for the trademark on OpenAI's name the day after OpenAI launched. So sometimes people will try to capitalize on someone's success and try and trademark their name, right? And that's what this other company did. So this other company, they saw OpenAI was coming out and they tried to trademark the OpenAI name, but that didn't work. So they tried to trademark Open Artificial Intelligence, right? So OpenAI, they're like, oh no, we know exactly what's happening here. So they filed a lawsuit in 2023. They claimed trademark infringement and unfair competition. A judge, basically, you know, they told the Open Artificial Intelligence that they had to stop using the name, and then couldn't, you know, use it for anything promoting any AI products, right? So eventually, OpenAI won, and the court said that Open Artificial Intelligence, the guy who filed that, they misled the USPTO with their application. And they also said that OpenAI had developed secondary meaning in the marketplace, right? So OpenAI, it's kind of built its own buzz around itself. So they're like, you can't just go out here claiming open AI. Now, of course, open artificial intelligence, they disagree. They said that they're going to try and appeal the ruling, but open AI, they've really put their stamp on the open artificial intelligence game. So of course there are going to be people who want to capitalize on that, but OpenAI was very smart and they secured their intellectual property so they could tell these OpenAI wannabes, go on somewhere, you don't even go here. Okay? So again, you can jump on a wave, but you don't want to mimic someone's style, right? So let's think about this in terms of fashion. Everybody can make a red dress. What differs the red dress is the labels and the qualities, and you never want someone to mistake your red dress for someone else's red dress. Okay, so just be unique, guys. That's all I can tell you is you need to be unique out in these business streets. There is so much competition. There are so many people with amazing ideas, and there are some people out here who's just trying to steal. So you need to be aware, and you need to be unique. All right. Okay, we have gone through.